Lately, I've had a few inquiries about the half-life in the UK rule under the appendix private life. Let us look at this in some details. The immigration rule says if you came to the UK and you're over the age of 18 and under 25 and you have spent half your life in the UK, you probably consider the UK to be your home. In such a situation, it would be unfair to send you back to the country from where you came from. A half-life application can then be made, but it is quite a complex application. The second part of the rules deal with the very significant obstacles. In my experience, I find meeting the first limb of the rule to be quite easy, but many applicants fail with the second part, which is to demonstrate that at the date of application there will be very significant obstacles, and the key words are very significant obstacles to the applicant's integration in the country to which they would have to go back if they're required to leave the United Kingdom. How are very significant obstacles to integration assessed? Well, the guidance says, and the guidance takes into account what the higher courts had to say about this. When assessing the very significant obstacles to integration in the country of origin, the starting point is to assume that the applicant will be able to integrate into their country of proposed return unless they can demonstrate why that is not the case. The onus is on you, is on the applicant to show that there are very significant obstacles to integration, or what I would say reintegration. You should provide independent documentary evidence of any claims made in that regard. You should provide independent documentary evidence of any claims made in that regard. A very significant obstacle to integration means something which would prevent or seriously inhibit the applicant from integrating or reintegrating into the country of return. You're looking for more than just a bit of difficulties or the usual obstacles that may arise on relocation, such as learning a new language or getting employment. You are looking to show that there are very significant obstacles, which is a very high threshold. At this stage, advice on the bundle or evidence you're relying on is key. You're inviting the court or you're inviting the Home Office to make a finding in your favour. I have experience in dealing successfully with these cases, so contact me today to book a conference.